Hello everyone, welcome back to the second part of the navigation drawer project. In the first part, I have created the navigation drawer as you can see, but if I click on any item of the navigation view, it will not work because I have not added the listener yet. So in this part, I will show you how to add the listener with the navigation view. For that, you have to go inside the onCreate method and you need to create a variable of navigation view equal find view by id dot id dot navigation id. So you need to find out the navigation view from here, the id which have already given in the xml file. You can see navigation id. So this is the id I'm using to find out that navigation view. And after that, what you have to do, you have to implement on navigation item selected listener. Press alt or enter and implement the methods inside the navigation item selected listener. You can see that there is a method comes up here on navigation item select, and this is the method we are going to use. But before that, you have to add the listener with the navigation view dot set navigation item selected listener and pass this here. Okay, so now if the user click on any item in from the navigation view, it will take him or her to the on navigation item selected menu. Okay, so now you can do whatever you wish after selecting the item. So if item dot get item id equal, if the user click on r.id dot, if the user click on home menu id, home menu item, that okay. So I will create two more activities so that you can see how does it work. File, and I'm going to create here new activity, new blank activity or empty activity, whatever. I'll create two activities actually. I'll create one for home activity, one for home and another for profile. So I'll create two activities. So if I click on home, then it will take to the home activity. If I click on profile, it will take me to the profile activity. And you can do for rest of the things. Okay. So I will show you only for the two item. Okay. New, and then I'll create one more activity. Work a bit with the XML file. Go to the resource section, I'll go to the layout section, and inside this, first I will do something with this home layout. I'll change it into the linear layout. I'll give a background color, background, let's say ff2, and after that I will change it. And inside this linear layout, I want to show a message so that I can understand that I have come into a different activity. I've entered into a different activity. Okay, so for that I'm gonna use a wrap content. I'll show a message here, text a message here inside the home activity. Gravity here, gravity is center. From here. Okay, and this is what I need to copy so that I can use for the other XML file, for the chat XML file. All I have to do, I have to change a bit here. I have to link it to the chat activity. That's it. Okay, okay, fine. So our activities are ready, so now we can use this activity from the main activity. So if someone click on the home menu icon, then I need to go to the home activity, and for that, you know what you have to do. You have to use intent or new intent, and from here we are going to use this, and we're going to the, if someone click on home menu icon, then we have to go to the home activity. So home activity dot class, start activity. What I can do, I can type intent here. I can make an intent variable outside so that I can use later on from here. I don't need to create a class object for that. Okay, so that's fine. Now I need to copy these 3 or 4 lines. Chat menu ID, then okay. So far so good. So now if I run this program, I think it will work fine. But before that, I think I need to change something inside of the chat XML file. Now if I run this program one more time, I think it will work fine. So let's run this program. Time as usual, it's kind of boring thing, but I think you'll get used to this. Right, so if I click on home menu item, it's taking me inside the home activity. It's working fine. Go back to the navigation view and check the other one. If I click on check menu item, it's taking me inside the chat activity. So it's working very good. Okay, now you have to add the listener with other items as well, and I think you guys can do it. So that's all for this video tutorial. Take care of yourself and believe in humanity. Allah Hafiz.